Today we are going to discuss exactly how to become a Twitch affiliate in 1 month. How I did it, how you can do it, and we're going to go step by step. So here we go. Sorry, cat. Welcome. I decided to do this video because a lot of people are having trouble, especially during this quarantine, committing to doing their goals. You can get locked in that mindset, and I'm here to set that straight, especially for Twitch. A lot of people say Twitch doesn't care about small streamers. Welcome to Twitch. The big ones are big, my most popular. The little guy's always gonna start at the bottom. Good news, Twitch offers their affiliate program, and it's pretty easy to get an affiliate. Correction. It's easy to get if you are dedicated. If you stick to it and you do the right things and you do what I'm about to tell you step by step, you'll get there just like I did. I did it in 1 month. Dedication, hard work, commitment, you can get there in 1 month. The requirements to do so, step number 1, you need 500 minutes of total stream time for a 30-day period. That's approximately 8 hours over 30 days of streaming. That's not a whole lot. That's very small, right? Especially if you do 4 or 5 hour streams a day. Now, out of these 8 hours, you need to span it over across 7 days. So out of 7 days, you need to stream above a total of 8 hours. I think I fucked that up. And in those 7 days, within the 30-day period of streaming 8 hours, these are all the minimums. You need a concurrent viewership of the whole 30 days of 3 people. And the last thing is your follower count. Easy, you need 50 people. I know that sounds like a lot, and it was when I first started to get 50 people when you have nothing, but I can teach you how to get 50. The minimum 50. Anyway, those are the requirements. The minimum requirements to getting Twitch affiliate. First tip, it's gonna be obvious, you're gonna hear it all the time. Social media, social media, social media. My favorite was Instagram. I could post my highlights. I could put everything on there, I could clip it, get it on my phone, put it on Instagram. Once it was on Instagram, I could get likes, comments, and people to follow. That's one side of Instagram. The other side is those DMs though. That probably sounded really dumb. The DMs are important because of other streamers. So there are people just like you who are starting out with nothing, or maybe they're small, maybe they're medium. You can go to their Instagram, you can message them, DM them, and start a friendship with these small to medium streamers. People that I'm still friends with now, that I still play video games with now. That also helps boost your credibility not only on Instagram into building relationships, but it also helps you in relation to their community on Twitch. It's the law of attraction, okay? You attract what you're trying to put off. If you are dedicated, you put in the hard work, and you want to be a Twitch streamer, blast those DMs. Put out multiple highlight clips of you kicking ass or building something in Minecraft, right? Whatever makes your channel niche specific to you, put it out there. So stop watching those TikToks and start getting on Instagram again. Advice number 2, once you make connections with specific streamers, raid. This one can either be toxic or it can be helpful. It all depends on your relationship to the streamer and how well connected you are in their community. Because if you just blast a raid all the time, it can get kind of annoying if you don't have that kind of steady relationship. If you have a steady built relationship with a specific streamer, maybe you guys have been DMing for a while, you guys are really close, then that's different. You have kind of a close bond. But don't just spam raids across Twitch, right? If you continually raid with no viewers or a viewer, it's going to look very bad on you. It's going to be negative. But if you have a steady relationship, maybe you guys have played games on stream together, then that's a little different of a dynamic. When you raid someone, 2 things happen. More than likely, there's going to be a display on the Twitch page, their page that they're streaming on, where they stream. Twitch, that's the place. The notification will display, your name will pop up on there. The second thing it'll do is it'll put it in the Twitch chat. There's 2 opportunities for that community and that streamer to recognize you. With the consent of the specific streamer, establish a relationship and raid like nobody's business. It gives you more visual opportunity to be seen by their community and by anybody else who's in there. Advice number 3, your schedule needs to be consistent and your content needs to be true to you. People can sense fake a mile away. They can see it. Don't be fake. And my schedule changed for nothing. My schedule was my word. Your schedule is the commitment to your audience and to anybody else who's coming to watch. If you want people to come consistently to you, you have to be consistent first. Twitch is for you to have fun and to do something you love to do, but it's also for the audience, for them, right? That's why you do it. Not for your selfish purposeness, but it's for them. That's why I love Twitch so much and its platform in general. And being consistent determines the true Twitch streamers and just the hobby kinda wanna maybe stream. It'll make you stand out. The last tip, host special events, especially 12-hour streams. Every Friday, I host 12-hour streams. Every 12-hour streams on Friday establishes a commitment, a new level that others do not achieve, and it makes you stand out more than other people. A 12-hour title, 12-hour stream Minecraft stands out way better than how is your day going. It's punchier, it's catchier. It's a level that others don't because it's a whole day. Also, it makes your exposure go through the roof because you never turn off. You're always there for 12 hours the whole day. It allows more potential for the audience to funnel into your channel and who you are. I wanted to be there for the viewers whenever they showed up. So I wanted to be there for every single viewer, every audience member that I couldn't even anticipate for, by opening myself up to doing a longer stream on a specific day, which is Friday. My last advice is never give up, never get discouraged. This is gonna be tough, but if you do it for a month, I guarantee you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, if you liked my Hawaiian shirt, then go ahead and hit a like on there, stop by a stream, and if you feel very generous, hit that sub button. Bing! I'll see you guys later.